All right, question number 3. We want to determine if the following probability experiment represents binomial. If not, we're going to explain why. If the probability is binomial, we're going to state the number of trials. So it says a random sample of 50 middle school students is obtained and the individuals selected are asked to state their ages. So, random sample asking their ages, middle school. So we don't know what success is, okay? So we're just asking their ages. What is the success? Am I looking for somebody who is, 11, 12, 13? So because we have a fixed number of trials, we got 50. Each of these students are going to be independent. It's random, so they're going to be independent. One is not going to affect the other. So we have a fixed number of trials. We have independent. We don't have success or failure, so this will not be binomial. We're going to say no, the number of trials are not independent. No, because there are more than 2 mutually exclusive outcomes. Yes, so middle school ages are going to be probably 11, 12, 13, and we don't have 2 outcomes, success or failure, defined. All right, number 4, same thing, determine if it's binomial, explain why not. So we got 4 cards selected from a standard 52 deck without replacement. The number of 7s selected is recorded. Okay, so we do have success or failure. We're looking for 7. All right. Problem is, when I pull a card without replacement, that affects the probability. So, for example, just dealing with a normal deck of cards, the probability of obtaining a 7 would be 4 out of 52. There's 4 7s out of 52 cards. Okay. If I draw 1 card, if I take 1 card out and I don't put it back, there's now 51 cards left. If the card I drew was a 7, it would be 3 out of 51 would be the chance that I draw a 7 on the second chance. If I drew a card out and it was not a 7, I would have a 4 out of 51 chance to draw a 7. So depending on what you drew, the probability is changing when you do without replacement. Now, if I replace the card, then the probability of success stays the same, 4 out of 52 every single time. These will be independent. Without replacement, the probability is changing, so this would not be independent trials. These would be dependent. So my success would be changing from trial to trial, so this would not be binomial. So we're going to say no, there's more than 2 outcomes. That's not the reason. No, because the trials are not independent, since the probability of success or failure differs. So C would be the correct one.